Hi and welcome to Java Eclipse customer billing system. Let me show you how this works. Click on reset and there we go. So all we just need to do is let's enter the customer details. Let's say the customer's name is Dave and his surname is Johnny. Okay, address of Johnny is number 15 Golden Road. Postcode, telephone number of Johnny, email of Johnny's djohnny@gmail.com, and Johnny is from where? Let's say Johnny is from, let's say Morocco. Why not? Johnny can come from Morocco as well. Now, date of birth of Johnny is 15/11/99. Okay, 99. Johnny is a student, male, single, there. And what does Johnny want? Coffee. 5 of those. And Johnny also wants to test a taste of Lagos, a taste of Kenya, and Carlton Hill for friends. Queen's Park too. Click on total. There we go, and that's Moroccan Johnny's details out there. But just before I go into the Eclipse development environment, I'd like to inform you guys you can always join my channel, be a member of my channel by paying £4.99, and you have access to my codes. You can always have a chat with me and get the whole program, in fact. So let's go straight into Eclipse Java and we'll put one of these together, guys. Let's do that now. Hi, welcome to Java Eclipse tutorial of a customer billing system. I'm going to start by clicking on OK. Okay, I'm going to now go to File, New. Let's select Java Project. Let's just give that a name, Customer Billing. There. I will now click on Finish. Okay, on the Package Explorer, I'm now going to right click on the customer billing. Let's select New, and right in there I'm going to select Other. Once Other is ready, click on Window Builder. And if you don't have Window Builder on your system, there are a lot of tutorials online on how to install back your Window Builder. So click on Window Builder, and what I'm going to select inside Window Builder is the swing. Look at it, Swing Designer. I'm going to select the J-frame. You can also select application windows, but I'm just going to select J-frame and click on Next. Now I'm going to give my package a name there and just click on Finish. There we go. Now my development environment is now ready, so let me click on Design. It's now opening the design page. Okay, my frame is ready now. Now I'm going to right click, just select, I'm going to select absolute layer there, and let's collage this. Let's click on that, and there we go. Alright, the next thing I would like to do is to define the size of this. So let's go to the structure here, and let's say, okay, let's just drag it. We can always. Alright, so I'm going to go to the codes now just to check the size. So click on the codes, and right here, that is the width. Okay, so I'm going to change that to 1400, and make this approximately, I'm going to go for 800. So that's the official width. So go back to the design. There we go, guys. Right, so I have enough room to maneuver. So let's come in here, go straight to the palette. Now I need a plane, a panel. There we go, found one. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's my panel there. Let's drag it. Okay, let's see what we can do, if we can find a way to enhance the appearance of this panel. Okay, let me click on the structure and there select the border. Right, I think I have more than one. Drop that down and let me select method border, and here I'm just going to make that 14, no, 14 and 14 here. Right, and then the other thing is to change the color of this border, so let's click on that. Now select color and let's see. Yeah, that's very good. I have candidate blue there, and here I have powdered blue. That's good. That's named color, so I'm going to click on candidate blue. There we go. So that is for the edge. Now what about the back color, background color? Let's see if I can get that. There we go. That's background color there. Select, and the background color, I want that to be candidate, no, powdered blue. Yeah, that's fine. Now drag. I actually want it to be approximately 400 plus, and that is the panel there, so I can just copy this, copy that and paste it right here. Where is it? I need the width here, I think. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm going to change this to about, let's say, let's go for 6 there, and maybe about 7 there. Right, let's see. Okay guys, look at that. Okay, let's collapse this and collapse this as well. Yeah, it's looking the way I want. Right, so I'm going to do one thing. You see this very frame? I'm going to copy it. I've just selected it. Let's go to copy, and now we paste it. It's right there. So this is the pasted one. Okay, I have an option to do what I like with it. Okay, but first of all, let's change this to absolute layer. Yep, now we can move this how we want. Right, that is fine. So just drag, and I'm going to copy this as well and paste another one here and one more there. We're getting somewhere, guys. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's bring it all down. Right, okay, this one is going to come right down. Why this stays where it is, and this stays where it is as well. These two. Alright, let's add 2 more. One is going to be here. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. And let's copy this very one. Paste that here. Okay. It's looking the way I want. So we're just running it to see how it looks like. This is how it looks now. See the starting point of the frame? I'm going to have to make it 0, 0. And we just need to expand the whole lot. So close that. So let me go straight inside the codes. Right inside this code, I'm going to go for the form. That is the form there, or that's the frame. I'm going to make that 0 instead of you starting from 100. Make that 0, 0. And now let's come back here and run it. So the whole system will start somewhere from there. Click on OK. There we go, guys. That's much better. Close that. Alright, let's go back in here. Right, you see this one? I'm going to go back to the structure there. Let's see right inside the properties. Okay, you see the back color. I'm going to change the very back color to candidate blue. Click on OK, and the background, I'm going to make that background, no, the border. Let's change the border to, the border itself will become that. Right. Okay. Now, you see the background, this very one, I'm going to change that entirely to candidate blue. Right there. Okay, so it's now pronounced. Okay, what about this? Okay, that's fine. Right, and these ones as well. Okay, this will become just like this. Right, let's change this, or we can just delete and copy that. I'm going to delete this and copy this across. Control C and Control V. Yeah, that's fine. Paste this here. Right. Why we change this and copy it across. Background will become that, and the border will become candidate blue. There we go. Click on OK. Yeah, that's fine. So let's delete this and copy this. Paste. Let's paste that here. Right, that's fine. Okay guys, now let's do some more work here. Let's come right in here and add some components. So that's going to be, let's go to palette first and collapse this one. I need labels. Where are the labels on this? It's been some time I use this, so I can see the text field. I'm going to put that there because I do need one text field there. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, there we go. It's right there. Good. Now we need labels. Okay, right there is the label. Just paste the label here. Okay, so about selecting all of these, do that. I'm going to select both labels, the labels and the text box. Let's go to the structure and increase the font size. Okay, I think we have to increase the font size individually. Yeah, I'm going to make that. Let's click on that and let's see if we can make that about. Let's try out 20. We can always change it if we don't like it. Alright, that's 20. And what about the text content we have in there? Let's change that to customer ref. And this other one, let's change this one to 20 as well, because we can always copy it anyway. There we go. So move this here and let's enhance this. That's 20 as well. As you can see, that's 20. So I'm going to copy both. Either you come in here or you just press Ctrl C, copy and paste. That's going to be for first name, surname, address, undo that, 1, 2, copy, paste there. Okay, let's start with this. That is going to be my first name, surname, address, let's come right here, then okay, let's copy it all and just to speed up the whole process, copy and paste. There we go. And maybe paste another lot, paste there. Okay, I'm going to now change it and just get back to you guys as soon as I'm done. Okay, this is how it looks right now, but some of them, like nationality, I'm gonna have to delete that, and let's enter a combo box there. So let's come right here. I think we might be able to see one here. Yeah, there we go, combo box. Oh no, somewhere here. There we go. Let's paste that right here and just drag it that much. And I'm going to also change the size, the font size of that combo box to 16. I think this one is 16. And right there. Now, what else do I need? Let's go for type. This one, get rid of that as well. And another combo box. I think I can copy this, copy. Just paste it there. And what else? Male and female gender. There we go. Paste one here as well. And let's see the size of all of these. Let's see the size of this one. This one is about, let's come in here, 33. This is it right there, 33. So let's make these other ones 33. I think I'm gonna have to go in the code here, and that is it here. So 20, change that to 33. Let's see, this is another one here, so that one becomes 33 as well. And this is one here, 33. Back to the program itself. Yeah, there we go. Now we've got it. So I just need to tidy up, but before then, let's come in here. We can always tidy up everything later on. Now I need checkbox. One here, one checkbox here. This checkbox, let me change the size as well. Make that bold really. Okay. And I would also need, let's copy that, Ctrl+C and paste it right in here. Right there. So do that. I can copy both. Copy, paste. Now copy and paste. I'm going to need about 10 of those. Okay, I think I'm gonna need about 2 more. Right, just need to change the size of everything. All right. Okay, this is how it's looking now. So what I'm going to do is I need to change the background of this to powdered blue. So let's come into background. That's the background there. So I think that's powdered blue. This is it. If you're wondering where did I get the name are always right up there somewhere. Okay, that's powdered blue, if you guys can see it. So there we go, that one is now powdered blue. So what I would do, let's see if I can select it all and just change it all in one go. So come straight to the background and there we go, powdered blue. There, done. And that should take care of that. Right, that's fine. Now let's see, the next thing is I'm going to enter 0 here. So let's come in here and just enter 0. There we go. And I need to get it centered for all. That's it. Yeah, that's fine. Looking good. Alright, and finally here I'm going to enter as follows. So I'm going to copy 3 here. Let's come in here. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So let's go to edit, copy, and paste it right in here. And paste. There we go. Let's see how that's gonna look. Alright, and let's correct this. Right, more, a little bit more, and bring it down a little bit, and that should take care of this will become total. So let's call that JLBL total, and the text content on it will be total anyway. Take it down, change that to total. Right, and this one is going to be JTXT total. JTXT total. And this is going to be subtotal, JTXT subtotal. JTXT subtotal. And bring it. Let's change this as well to subtotal. Right, and finally this one is going to be known as tags. And this will be known as tag, JTXT tags. JTXT tags. Right. All that is taken care of. Now let's come in here and add buttons. So come to the palette, and now we need buttons there, and right there. Okay, we have a button here, and this button I might have to change the size. Let me change that to maybe something a little bit readable. Let's make that maybe 28 or 30. Let's say 28. And the text content on this button is going to be known as BTN print. Yeah, let's go for print. And let's change the text content itself to print. copy this across anyway. Control C, copy and paste here, and that is going to be known as, we will call that reset, or I'm going to make that total, and that will become BTN total. Right, let's go to the next one here, paste, and we'll call this reset. So we have BTN reset, and that will become officially BTN reset. Paste another one, copy and paste that, and that will be exit. And one good thing about Eclipse is that will automatically change to BTN exit, so that's it, so that's fine. Okay, one last thing that we need to do is here I need to enter text area. Yep, let's come in here and just draw my text area there, just drag it that much. Bring it down. Take that up. And there we go. So I'm going to run it and let's see how the whole interface look like now. Save it first and run. And there we go, guys. This is how the whole interface looks. So what I'm going to do now is I will call this the end of the very first part of this Eclipse customer billing system tutorial, and I will get back to you guys shortly.